Hey everybody, my name is Mark Gill. This is Marks on the Grill. We are huge fans of old fashions. All right, so this is kind of neat for us. We don't drink a lot on the show. Heavy after, but not a lot during. Okay, so we figured we'd try one of our favorite drinks at home, seeing as we got this sucker. When we go to the bar, they make these old fashions. It's a pretty simple drink: bourbon, bitters, an orange peel. Usually have cherries that soak in stuff for a while, and a nice big fun ice cube, right? But then for an extra $3 or $4, these guys will smoke it for you, and it's a neat little machine. It's like a little handheld gun guy with a tube that comes out, and it's got a little kind of like your grandpa's pipe, right? It's got a little thing there where the sawdust goes in. You light it, it's got a fan, and it blows smoke into a little chamber that they've got, and they stick your glass in a chamber and blows all this smoke. And I'm like, that's pretty cool. We have a smoker, and we have a smoker that doesn't have to go to 150, 160, 180 degrees before it starts smoking, because the smoking system is different than the heating system, so you can keep the temperature low. So I figured, boy howdy, let's try this. So let's try this, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. I got some decent bourbon. I didn't go nuts. It's our first crack at this. I'm not gonna waste the real good stuff. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make this a nice size. I would say that's about 1.5 ounce glass. So there we go. They call it 2 fingers or 3 fingers? And I think it's all about surface space. All right, those are pretty good pours. Pour it. All right, no one's alive. All right, it's not going to kick in by the time I play with the electric knife, so who cares? There we go. So I think the secret, like I said, is surface space. We want to get as much smoke in there in as little time as we can. So here's what we're going to do. Let's take this guy, and we've got this smoking like crazy. I wouldn't put it in the glass. I would go ahead and try something like this, so you get a lot of surface space. So we're going to let that guy hang out for about 5 or 10 minutes, okay? And so let's get the stuff ready we need for our drinks here, so we can enjoy the way along. I got the big ice cubes. You got to do those. So here we got 2 fancy glasses that of course don't match. Nothing in our house matches. No shoes, no socks, no glasses. That's just how it is. Let's go ahead and put those nice fun giant ice cubes in there. I have one for the repeat shortly after. There we go. Very nice. Let's take a little bit of our bitters. There we go. You don't want to go crazy with this. Some people use orange bitters. I like the aromatic. We're already putting an orange peel in there. Nobody has to go crazy. There we are. Let's go ahead, get our orange peel. This is where, on a grilling show, I cut my thumb off because I'm not a bartender. I should be doing this. There we go. There's 1. And there's 2. So perfect, you guys. I think we have... Oh, Trish is... Oh, I like how Trish takes chances, man. Look at that. That's fantastic. Now, like I said, normally we'd smoke these guys, but let's just... here's an adult cocktail there with the cherry and fun stuff. All right, so we got that. Now, let's grab our bourbon. By the way, up top here on this one, most smokers will have this. There's a little dealie that controls the amount of smoke that comes in and out. It's a little vent. If you're going to do these smoked old fashions, I suggest that you go ahead and close it so you keep most of the smoke inside. So Trish from Clearwater, who is also a lovely camera lady, asked, does it heat up your bourbon? Well, again, that is, can I put my finger in your bourbon? Perfect. See, it's room temperature at best. It's fantastic. You don't have to worry about that. So let's pour that in there. Oh, whoa, hello. What the heck? Somebody get somebody over here to help with this thing. There we are. One of those. Perfect. Woohoo! That's going to be a good brisket. Let's go. Trish, the camera lady, has fallen over. All right, here we go. Let's give this a little run. Come on in here for the shot here, dude. Let's get close. That is lovely. So now, we're all here to see if it picked up that smoke flavor. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I smell it. I caught it. I toasted it. And I smoked it. That's fantastic.